There are a lot of videos from Ukraine, where we can see destruction of Russian armor, but this one is very good, because we can clearly see the whole story. It's a destruction of an entire column of Russian equipment with the help of Stugna-P. Notice how Russian crews are paralyzed as soon they realize that they are targeted with anti-tank weapons. Simply, they don't have an answer for that situation, and this is horrible from military standpoint. Also, the Ukrainians are targeting fleeing Russian soldiers with artillery. Here a pensioner from Halle, Germany thought it was a good idea to provoke with a Russian flag at a pro-Ukrainian demonstration. There he pushed a Ukrainian refugee. Now he complains about the amount of the fine imposed on him.
Und daraufhin stand ich mit dieser Fahne, die mir ein russischer Offizier geliehen hat, auf dem Markt und schwenkte sie, woraufhin zwei ukrainische Frauen mir die Fahne entreißen wollten. Ich schubste die Frauen weg, worauf ich angeklagt wurde und ein Strafbefehl in Höhe von 1490 € erhielt, obwohl ich nur 450 € Rente bekomme. Was ich will, ist Frieden mit Russland.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.